Hey everyone, Crystal with Crystal Clear College Planning. We did a poll on Monday to find out what you guys wanted to chit chat about this week. My goal is to do a live every Wednesday at noon based on that topic that you guys are telling me is important to you. This week is the activities section within the common application or just applications in general, which I think is, ideal timing too for any of you that are rising seniors about to embark on applications. The Common App as well as the Coalition, they're fairly similar in regards to how they're structured and very limited in regards to what we can put in there. And I think one of the big things that people always think is that if it's not like an activity that I did in high school, that it doesn't count. And that's not true. Within the common application, it actually says reporting activities helps the college better understand your life outside of the classroom. And examples that they give are art and music, clubs, community engagement, family responsibilities. So whether you have to take care of grandparents or siblings or have other responsibilities directly, that is also important. Hobbies, sports, work or volunteering, and just in general, other experiences that have been meaningful to you. And so obviously it is definitely broader than just I was or was not a part of a club or a sport or whatever in high school. So I think that that is super important to think about when you are, putting in these activities, thinking outside of the box. I had a student who was working, doing like some yard work and stuff for neighbors. It was like, okay, well that showed, your entrepreneurial spirit. You went and did all of this on your own. I had another one who loved playing chess, and he would play chess with his grandma every week. And so, there's these different aspects of our world that make up what it is that we do. And those are all of the ways that they want to see that you are engaged with community and family or things that you're really passionate about. But the struggle is within describing that very important activity, they give us a very short window in describing it. So there is a maximum of 150 characters to share what you accomplished, any recognition, and to describe that activity. Therefore, it is can be a challenge, and there's only 10 activity slots that we can use within the common application. So the other thing that we can use to our benefit within the scope of the common app is to be able to use the essay portion. They have is there anything else that we should know about you that we cannot see in your application, so that you can also bullet point out or better detail what you couldn't on this side if that is relevant for you. Some schools as well will allow us to upload a resume within the application, and that is also a great way to expand on all of these things and making sure that they really see that holistic picture about who you are. So those are some really great tips that I hope you take into consideration as you are walking into application season. And we will see you next Wednesday, and watch for the poll on Monday, and let me know what topics you want to hear about, and feel free to add to that poll if there's something else that's on your minds. So have a great rest of your Wednesday, guys.